Hello, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. You've arrived in a temple of stillness, a space where nothing needs to be fixed, proven, or earned. This is a space for remembering, for breathing, for letting the sacred rise within you. Close your eyes, let your shoulders fall, and begin to listen inward. We begin by simply arriving. Let the breath guide you. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale through your mouth. Let go. Today you are invited to be held, not by someone else, not by the world, but by the breath, by presence, by the invisible light that's always been with you. Set a soft intention for this space. Not a goal, just a whisper of what you desire to feel. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel them connecting to the earth. Imagine roots growing down, deep, strong, ancient. Now move your awareness slowly upward to your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, up to your hips, maybe swaying them gently side to side, up to your belly, your chest, breathing into your shoulders, your arms, hands, your neck, your face, and up to your crown. Every part of your body is softening. Let it be safe to let go here. Now visualize a sacred temple around you. It can look like anything: a moonlit forest, a glowing cave, a vast expanse of stars. Let it reveal itself to you. This is your inner sanctuary, and your breath is the gatekeeper. Begin to deepen your breath. Let each inhale feel like a gathering. Let each exhale feel like a release. With every breath, you are crossing a bridge from the mind to the heart, from fear to presence, from striving to being. Imagine golden light entering with each inhale, and a gray mist leaving with every exhale. Your breath is not just air. It is memory, prayer, portal. Visualize your spine becoming illuminated like a river of light. Breathe into it. Let your energy system awaken gently. You may feel warmth, tingling, or softness. There is nothing to force, just allow. Now envision yourself under a deep, expansive moon. Its light is not cold or distant. It is intimate, penetrating, transformational. You are barefoot on sacred ground. In your hands you hold a bundle. It contains all that is no longer yours to carry. Old roles, fears, stories, self-doubt. With reverence, walk to the fire in the center of your temple. Breathe deeply, and one by one, release the pieces into the flames. You do not need to understand them. You do not need to fight them. Just let them go. Repeat to yourself, I am safe to surrender. I am held by the sacred. I am not who I was. I am who I am becoming. Now allow yourself to rest inside the release. Let the breath become effortless. Feel the warmth of the fire, the glow of the moon, the breath of spirit. Let ambient music or soft silence hold this space. Let your body recalibrate. Let your soul expand. Begin to slowly return, gently, gracefully. Feel the roots in your feet, the light in your spine, the ease in your chest. Now place one hand on your heart, one on your belly. Breathe here and whisper to yourself, "Thank you for showing up. Thank you for surrendering. Thank you for trusting what cannot be seen." Let gratitude expand. Let it touch every cell. Let it become your frequency. As we close this sacred space, carry these words into your day, your week, your life. I am held by the invisible. I am the breath between worlds. I am the ritual. I am already enough. Your only job now is to remember, breathe, be, and let the sacred hold you. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and re-enter your will as the spell you already are. So it is.